Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Excuse my voice if I sound a little bit under the weather. I am, and I'm trying to get better, but I wanted to record a video for you guys. So here I have a really small Amazon haul, and remember to check the description box below because I always leave my links in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out. This particular nail glue I have not tried out before, so I will let you know how it works and how I like it. Alright, so I picked up 3 more packs of nail tips along with the Model 1's nail glue. I want to try out the Model 1's nail glue. I have not tried out this glue before, so I can't wait to try this one out. And when I do, I will let you know, of course, how it works. The top of this wasn't broken. It just kind of popped out, so I kind of struggled to pop it back in. But you'll see me in a minute kind of fix it. But even if it broke, it'd be okay. I'd probably just transfer them into, another box. But I got it back into place, so everything was okay. So for some reason, when I ordered these, I didn't see this review. I just saw it now, but I'm always looking at, especially when I buy things on Amazon, I'm always looking at different reviews or people's reviews to see what they think about the product. And if I see more reviews saying that maybe a product is no good, then it probably maybe isn't good for you. But sometimes a product just isn't good for someone and it might be good for you. There could be just, something specific about the item that they're just not happy with, but that doesn't mean that the product is a bad product. So I would just recommend to try it for you. But this specific product, this box, there was a video actually showing that 2 of the nails were kind of broken and damaged. I did not find a single nail in that package that was damaged. So I do like the size and the shape of those nail tips, and I can't wait to try those out. Now these here are soft gel tips, and I have never tried soft gel tips before. So I'm really excited to try these out. These are soft gel tips from Model 1's. These are short almond, I believe, and they fit me perfectly. The first and second set actually fit me very perfect, but that was just the thumb. And I love them because they're shorter, perfect for work, and they are kind of etched in where the cuticle area is, so that's already done for you. You don't even have to go and file the nail at all, which I thought was pretty cool. Make sure that you check out all the links below because I will leave all the links below to where I got these items in the description box below. So the first set was a medium length set, and that was a 500 piece set. I don't think I mentioned that at all. And then the soft gel tips, the medium almond tips, those were a 500 piece as well. There were 10 sizes with those. And this last box here, these are 3XL tips. I'm probably not going to be wearing these because they might be a little bit too big for me, but they are long for me. But this is a 240 piece set, and again, this is a 3XL box right here with 12 sizes. And I think I'm going to be making some press-on sets with these, so definitely stay tuned for that. This box was a little confusing according to the clasps. I felt like the way that the clasps opened, it was a little confusing, so I just made a note to myself because you can't really tell because the box isn't completely clear. It's clear, but it's not completely clear to where I can tell if the tips were upside down or not. I just couldn't tell, so I just wrote up on it. I might just put a little sticker on it later, and it should be okay. I should be able to tell, what side is up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was a short one. Like this video, subscribe down below if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays, everyone. Bye.